try to do the waste first, okay? So we have excess inventory, transportation, defects, overproduction, overprocessing, waiting time, wasted motion, and wasted potential.
Very good. I like that.
Frank, no cheat sheets for you. $1 million company. Today I'm going to talk about defects, and I want to kind of draw a line between defects and how much influence it has on basically almost all the other wastes. Okay, so if you would, Robert, we're just going to kind of run through these. I got a bag here that I just, even though we don't concentrate on the dollar amount, I wanted some kind of a representation of what defects really are. So I put together a bag of change on what defects on a random shift. This is third shift, last Tuesday night. This is the dollar value of those defects here on the floor. And imagine this is $591 times 3 times a day, so round numbers $1,800 a day, 21 days a month, 12 months a year, $445,000. Just, and like I said, not a particularly high month.
Too much money.
Okay. All right. So when we make defects, how does that affect the other areas? Well, for one thing, we're making defects, so we have to bring more material to the press with transportation, right? Then we have to take those bad parts and we have to move them over to a sorting pile for more transportation. We have wasted motion because now we're resorting. We have to go through and sort those defects that we have. We have waiting time because Robin's probably waiting to ship those parts out. And if we're lucky, that's the only waiting time we have, because we also may have a customer waiting for his product to get to the plant, okay? Wasted motion all the way down the line. If we catch it in time before the guys get it out of the press, we're lucky, but otherwise the guys are putting it back in the press, resetting the job to rerun the defects that we ran. So just as you guys can see, it just snowballs right down the line, okay? So just keep that in mind. One always affects the other. And the only one I think it doesn't affect is excess inventory. We don't have that, right? So think flat.
All right. Thank you.